Afternoon, my people. I remember the first days learning how to ride a bike and seeing how hard it was to keep my balance because I kept falling. Until one day I actually got back on my bike and I kept pedaling, and noticing that the push I drove to pedal my bike ended up staying balanced. As I begin to dig deeper right now in finance, learning about the market and learning about different ways that life tends to throw hints your way, I channel in. Right now, the cost of living has gone up $200 in just a month. Just from July, the federal funds rate has gone up 2%, with many consumable things like energy-like resources like petroleum gas and electricity, and many people deciding, you know what? Maybe I'll eat at the house instead. Shoot, I would too. So getting a chicken sandwich at Cane's for $10 does sound a bit intriguing, but I digress. But if so, I could go home and make that same meal 3 times with less money out of my pocket. I do believe that while this economy looks distraught on the lack of the value of the dollar equating to $3 more than what it did 20 years ago, well, let's just state facts. Home value is going down with major potential of homes going back on the market. I read a report saying that Texas is going to be a hot commodity for real estate in 2023. I'm not a financial advisor, but I am a licensed real estate agent in Texas. The different loan programs and grants like down payment assistance trying to shift the demand back over to the buyer side as now 3 months worth of inventory. My source of thinking would say, what companies are benefiting most in a valuable time like the one we sit in? 1, energy. Everyone needs to live. We need lights. It takes energy to do that. 2, pharmaceuticals. There's always a medicine, there's always somebody needing some type of medical assistance. And 3, tech. Tech, as we didn't know before, well, now we know. Technology has impacted the world in so many ways when it comes to artificial intelligence, and over 90% of the entire world having a cell phone. If it's the Motorola or if it's the Chirp, yup, people still got those, to the most biggest, most branded company in the world, Apple. Do not downplay that inflation is not here. It has been here. Time is definitely rough, but to be inclined, you must inline yourself to understand the joust that you face, remembering that your steed is only going to move to the field that you are willing to give. Limitations representing the weapon that wants to slow down the pace of a marathon runner. The strike gets blocked while anticipating for another, but standing your ground and remembering the training and the trauma that has gotten you to this point. Unlike damage, pain has a weakness. Strength. Greatness. Peace.